There you go. Is it recording? The number's going? Okay. Alright, so pretty much introducing myself. Alright. My name is Emi Dancer and I am Filipino. I am born and raised in Manila, Philippines. My mom was part of the Great Migration back in the 80s and 90s when she lost my father when I was 2 years old. She had to move to the United States. Growing up in the Philippines, I learned a lot from my grandmother, who I call Lola. Lola means grandmother in Tagalog, which is the language I speak. She is the most caring person that I've known. She shows her love through food and traditions. And what I remember the most about her is that she always cooks great food. She always cooks really great food. I also remember when during the holidays, she would always make ube halaya. You might have heard of ube before. It kind of became a big thing the past couple years, especially during pandemic when everyone was trying to find comfort in food, making them at home, and it's now you can probably find it anywhere in your grocery stores. And what it's known for is for desserts. What this AAPI or Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month means to me is that we are able to celebrate different cultures even here in the United States. Especially, believe it or not, we're still a melting pot of diverse cultures here. Being Asian American or Pacific Islander, you're able to bring your culture, whether it's by language, whether it's by holiday celebrations, whether it's by food, especially by food. I don't think you can ever go wrong with, you want to introduce someone to your culture and the first thing you teach them is about your food. I am the legacy that my grandma left. I hope that I can make her proud, because now I'm able to pass it down to my own children, where they can learn about my culture as Filipino, and they can learn about different things that we can bring to the table. Good. These are ingredients you can use to make ube halaya or ube jam. On a saucepan, you're gonna add 1 can of coconut milk. You're gonna add 1 can of condensed milk. You can use regular condensed milk, or you can use the ube condensed milk if you find it in your grocery store. Next, we're gonna add about 2 cups of grated ube, which you can find in Filipino store or in any Asian stores. Make sure you defrost it before you use it. And mix it in. Continue mixing it in a medium to low heat. And you're gonna have this consistency after about 20-30 minutes. This is the final product, ube halaya or ube jam. You can use ube jam for any type of desserts, and this is the ube cheesecake bars.